Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So right here, guys, we'll be demonstrating on a 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage. That generation right here. You have two fuse boxes. One is under the hood, okay, right behind the car battery, and if you open it, looks like that. The bad part is that you have Ford specific fuses, hard to find fuses, guys. They could be really overpriced and expensive, so we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy some fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. This is the interior of your F-150. If you come, guys, in the passenger side in the footwell right here, you remove that kick panel on the side, you're going to see a fuse box that's open just like that. Once you open it, it will look just like that. That's the layout. Now, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. The fuse, guys, here for the Liftgate, okay, in order to find that fuse you need to come right here in that row, and if you look right here, right before underneath that double fuse, between these two double fuses, you have fuse number 16, that's the number on the side. That 15 amp fuse will be the one for the Liftgate that you will need to check specifically, okay. Let me zoom in a little bit so I can show you. Number 16, that's the fuse right there. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.